Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change your Roomba Combo 10 Max Plus name in your app. So first, what you guys need to do is scroll a bit down until you see product settings. Now here, what you guys need to do is click about Roomba Combo, and here, click on product name. Now, as you guys can see, here we can easily change it and make sure to avoid numbers if you want to use the voice assistant, as you guys can see here. Now, let me rename it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.